It's dead, Jim. Very dead. Oh, it's alive! It's alive! Oh, it's brought back to life. Oh. Oh. It's back! So imagine you're like me. You've just remembered, oh crap, I have loads of iPods. Wee, iPods. And you're like, what do I do with it? So you plug it out. Well, this one's plugged in. So you get your iPod. You plug it in. Like so. And you find all your old crap music. This one I actually bought for £10, so it's got my own music on. Well, see, just whatever I could be asked to throw on, really. And you remember, it's about 15 years old, so they're not really that useful anymore. That's where you're wrong, because you can flash mod these, as DankPods would, I'm sure, like to remind you of. You can actually replace these tiny capacity hard drives, which is, like this one is tiny, 3.7 gigabytes. And even these later ones, barely any. And anyway, so you're like me, and you buy this one. I've had these ones for ages. This one I got a week ago. That went a bit Scottish there. And you use it, you put your music on it, you unplug it, and you got your albums, and you put on your favourite song. Here. And then you realise a small problem. Oh crap, the battery's draining ridiculously fast. In fact, for some fun, we are going to test how long these batteries actually last. So I'm going to go and grab an iPod Touch. Here we go. Oh, she's sad. I've had this one since it was brand new. September 2010, mate. Again, went a bit damp there. I've watched too much. Yeah, so we're going to set up this experiment. It's flat. I've not used this one for years. And we're going to set up an experiment. And we're going to just put this one into sleep mode for now. So we're just going to shut him off. Come on. There we go. And that knocked my tripod. It's a crappy Chinese one. I bought it for like a tenner a couple of months ago. So I'm going to have to go and get a couple of cables. I'm going to go and get this actually fully working again. I'm going to put that on charge for a little while. And then we're going to give it a battery test. Oh, you've just found one of these. These are iPod nanos. Don't you talk to me, my son, ever again. Don't you talk to me, my son, or my grandchild ever again. So, this one's got a new battery in, and whilst this one slowly loads up, it is taking forever actually. We're gonna test both the battery of this and the iPod mini side by side. These things are completely unmoddable, by the way. In fact, doing the battery, I had to literally buy a new back that hasn't got any of the matching things. This isn't 16 gigabytes. This is more like 8. No, it's a 4 gig, actually. Yeah. So these things are nothing like these ones. They are completely non-flash moddable. These, anyway, because they are already flash modded by Steve Jobs, just for you. Mini.
You failed. Prepare for sudden death.